I'm back outside, they getting surprised when they hearing these beats like epiphany. Back and forth with this African booty scratcher, I left all of that talking for bitches beat. I was at the chateau with the blower. You said you would show, but you never did shit to me. If you show for that face to face, wouldn't be shit with some shots. Same more lower tier niggas text other men and it pics of me. He talk shit with his friend, that shit to me. That bitch only online, she ain't real to me. They is what niggas think I'm supposed to be. It's so funny you claim me, you tough, but you can't back it up, but you back it, posted to me. I done had that boy face down, ass up, like your baby mama be. Fuck these niggas, I'm spazzing, hitting that hoe till I give her a heart attack. I just told that bitch shit, she think Cardi back. I put creativity back on the map. I be spitting that dope like it's 80s crack. But you ain't getting no cash back. He see daddy, they think he get flashback. You keep yapping, I open my cash app. All head in a sack. Bitch, I go Amber Rose with these MAGA raps. Yeah, I stand on that shit, ain't no backing back. I don't care what you feel, I ain't fat for that. And that's real. Barry Sanders, every run is a real. Colonel Sanders, keep the recipe sealed. These niggas connected like Bonnie for real. That nepotism will have you in the field. I let it hit. Brewing that coffee, I'm taking a sip. Everybody thinking pick me sweet. Thinking it's splendid till I let it trip. Y'all niggas thinking you one step ahead. This me letting you know that I'm hip. Y'all keep on thinking I'm playing the hand I was dealt. Yeah, until the same can't get a grip on that bitch. Y'all want none of them problems. Y'all want none of them issues. None of your people gon' miss you. You better off with a tissue. Loaded the rocket with misses. She catching the tip like a scrambler. I had issues with my barber. You got issues with the clippers.